Packing box. Pen multimeter, watch pen, manual and accessories are complete. Install the battery, disassemble the back parts, and load 2 AAA batteries. Safety cap design. Long press to turn it on. Flashlight lighting, not afraid of dark environments. Switch to NCV mode. Flashes red and beeps when a nearby power supply is detected. Switch to NCV mode, and check the breakpoint position along the line when the single-stranded line is charged. Switch to live mode, turn on the red light and sound a beep for the live wire, and a silent beep for the zero wire. Connect the watch pen. Auto automatically recognizes the DC voltage, and the pen can contact the positive and negative electrodes of the battery. Auto automatically recognizes AC voltage, switches frequency modes, and measures frequency. Auto automatically recognizes the resistor, and the stylus can contact both ends of the resistor. Auto automatically recognizes the buzzer, flashes a red light and beeps to indicate normal patency. Switch to diode mode and measure the corresponding positive and negative electrodes. Switch to capacitive mode, and the stylus can touch both ends of the capacitor. Short circuit discharge is required before measurement.